Mom, you are my whole world. You are the one who I could call anytime. You would show up with love, sometimes even with KFC in your hands, sometimes telling us to get ready for a trip or small adventure. Those moments told me how you feel. Those moments made me feel so special and seen. I loved how you called my name and how you made me laugh and how your hugs made everything feel right again. I will miss your voice, your smile, and the way you always knew what we needed without us even saying it. Even though you're not here with me now, I carry your love everywhere I go. I will try best to live in a way that makes you proud. I will look after dad, my sister, and just as you always wanted. Thank you, Mom, for loving me so completely, filling my life with joy, surprises, memory. I will never forget. I will love you forever, and you will always be in my heart. I will never ever forget your love, and I will dearly miss you.